Gotland is the largest island in Sweden, located in the Baltic Sea. The island covers an area of about 3,184 square kilometers, 1,229 square miles. Gotland has a population of around 60,000 residents, with the majority living in the capital, Visby. Visby is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its well-preserved medieval buildings and city walls. The island is famous for its rich history, dating back to the Viking Age when it was a significant trading hub. Gotland has more than 90 medieval churches, showcasing various architectural styles. The island's coastline features dramatic cliffs, sandy beaches, and unique limestone formations known as rocker. Gotland is renowned for its flora and fauna, including rare species of plants and birds. The island's main industry is tourism, attracting visitors with its scenic landscapes and historical sites. During the summer months, Gotland hosts a medieval week, where locals and tourists dress in historical costumes and participate in various festivities. The island's famous wool is derived from Gotland sheep, known for their distinctive curly fleece. Gotland produces a variety of locally made products, including cheeses, beers, and organic vegetables. The island has a vibrant art scene, with many local artists and workshops available for visitors to explore. In the winter, Gotland has a peaceful, serene atmosphere, with fewer tourists and stunning winter landscapes. Historical sites like the remains of the Viking settlement of Tofta can be found on the island. Gotland's climate is characterized by mild winters and warm summers, making it an attractive destination year-round. The island is home to several nature reserves, protecting its unique ecosystems and wildlife. Gotland is a popular destination for biking and hiking, with numerous trails winding through its picturesque landscapes. The island is known for its distinctive Gotlandic dialect, which is different from standard Swedish. The annual medieval week in Visby attracts thousands of participants and spectators. Gotland experiences the phenomenon of midnight sun during summer, with long daylight hours. The island has several ancient burial mounds and archaeological sites, revealing its rich history. Gotland is often recognized for its beautiful sunsets over the Baltic Sea. The island offers a range of outdoor activities, including kayaking, sailing, and windsurfing. Gotland's population has increased significantly during the summer months due to tourism. The island is interspersed with charming villages, each with its unique character and history. Gotland is famous for its unique beer, made by local breweries, often utilizing traditional methods. The island has a strong sense of community, with many local festivals and events throughout the year. Gotland's natural scenery has inspired many artists and writers, both past and present. The island has a relatively low crime rate, contributing to its reputation as a safe place to visit. Gotland is accessible by ferry from the Swedish mainland as well as by flights from various cities. The island's structure consists mainly of limestone, resulting in one of the largest limestone quarries in Sweden. Gotland boasts a vibrant culinary scene, with many restaurants focusing on locally sourced ingredients. The island has several lighthouses, some of which are still operational today. Gotland is a great place for stargazing due to its low light pollution. The island has a unique folklore, with stories of trolls and mythical creatures entwined with its history. Gotland's beaches are famous for their clear waters and white sand, attracting beachgoers each summer. The island has been an important military base throughout history, particularly during the World Wars. Gotland is a top destination for students during the summer, with numerous cultural and educational programs. The island has several golf courses, making it a popular spot for golfing enthusiasts. Gotland is known for its diverse bird life, especially on its many coastal wetlands. There are numerous sandstone caves on Gotland, many of which are accessible for exploration. Gotland hosts a variety of music festivals throughout the summer, catering to diverse musical tastes. The island has a significant number of windmills, many of which have been preserved as historical landmarks. Gotland's unique geology and landscapes were shaped during the Ice Age. The island has inspired various movies and television shows due to its picturesque settings. Gotland's strategic location in the Baltic Sea played a significant role in its historical importance. The island hosts several art galleries and exhibitions showcasing local talent. Gotland participates in various sustainability initiatives, preserving its natural beauty and resources. The island's serene environment makes it a beloved escape for those looking to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of city life.